Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome back with the last Tectonic in this edition of today's newspaper on Tuesday, October the 6th, 2020. Yes, the last one, a Tectonic with 3 stars. If you like tectonics, you can search in my channel for playlist, and I have a playlist with all the tectonics I have made. So just try. Or if you like binaries, I have a playlist for binaries. If you like, I have Sudokus with 1 star, I have a playlist with only 1 star, or 2 stars, or 3 stars, or 4 stars. I have also a playlist with only mediums. So just go to my channel and find out the playlist I have made. Alright, this Tectonic, will be number 1703. Yes. Alright, so let's get started. I see here a dual box. Do we have a single box? Triple box? No. Hey, yes, a single box. The single box is always a 1. That means those 2 boxes surround the 1 cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. These 2 boxes surround the 1 cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 3. That box cannot be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there. These 3 boxes surround the 2 cannot be a 2. That box, those 2 boxes cannot be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be here. Then these 2 boxes cannot be a 4, so the 4 goes in those 2 boxes. If I play, no. Let me think first. These 3 boxes surround a 3 cannot be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 3. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 3, so these 2 boxes could be a 3, here 3, or there 3. These 3 boxes surround the 2 cannot be a 2, so the 2 goes in those 2 boxes. This box cannot be a 2, so the 2 could be here or could be there. This box cannot be a 1, so the 1 could be here or could be there. Then the 1 and the 3 are left here. 1 and the 3. These boxes, both boxes cannot be a 3, so the 3 goes in those 2 boxes. That means that those 2 boxes cannot be a 3, so the 3 goes in those 2 boxes. And we have a 1 and a 3 here, so this cannot be a 3 or a 1. So the 3 should be here. Now we have a 3 there, so this cannot be a 3 anymore. This should be a 3. Now we have a 3 here, so this cannot be 3 anymore. This should be the 3, and this should be the 1. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. The 4 and the 5 are left. Let me mark them, 4 and the 5. This box cannot be a 1, so the 1 goes in those 2 boxes. 1, 4, 5. Yes, 1, 4, 5. This box cannot be a 3, so the 3 goes in these 2 boxes. Yes. 4 and a 5. Let me mark them, 4 and a 5. These 3 boxes cannot be a 1. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 4, so the 4 goes in these 2 boxes. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2, so the 2 goes in those 2 boxes. This box cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. The 2 and the 5 are left. I cannot place a 2 here because I have a 2. I need a 2 in one of those 2 boxes, so the 2 cannot be here. The 2 should be there, and the 5 goes here. 1 and a 2. We have a 1 here, so this cannot be a 1. This should be a 2, and this should be a 1. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2, so the 2 and a 1 goes in those 2 boxes. That means that I cannot place a 2 or a 1 in this box. I need a 1 or a 2 in those 2 boxes. So this box should be, cannot be a 2. This box should be a 2. Those 2 should be the 4 and the 5. We have a 5 here, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 1, 2, These 2 boxes cannot be a 1, so the 1 goes in those 2 boxes. And I've mentioned earlier, this box cannot be a 1. I need a 1 in one of those 2 boxes, so 1 box left for the 1 should be there. 2. Oh wait. Let me see. Now we have a 2 here, so this box cannot be a 2 anymore. This box should be a 2, and I've eliminated the 4. So the 4 goes, 1 box left for the 4 should be here. The 5 and the 3 are left. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Now we have a 5 here, so this cannot be a 5 anymore. This should be the 5, and this should be a 4. This box cannot be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. We have a 3 here, so this box cannot be a 3 anymore. So the 3 should be here. One, 2, and 3, so 4 and 5 are left. 4 and 5 are left. That means that this box cannot be 4 or 5. The 4 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes. That means 1 box left for the 1. 4 and 5, 4 and 5, 4 and 5, alright. These 2 boxes cannot be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 should be here. 2 boxes left, the 2 and the 4. Let me mark them, 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. These 3 boxes cannot be a 2, so the 2 goes in those 2 boxes. Well, we have a 2 there, so no 2 there. Only 1 box left for the 2 should be here. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2. That box cannot be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be here. Then we have a 1 here, so this box cannot be a 1 anymore. This should be the 1, and this should be a 2. 1, 2, 3. This box should be a 4. because it cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, cannot be a 3, should be a 4, cannot be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. 3 and 5 are left. That means that this box cannot be a 5. The 5 should be in those two boxes. 3, 5, 2, 1, 4. This box, I think this box should be a 5 because it cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, cannot be a 3, cannot be a 4. 1 digit left should be a 5. That means those two boxes cannot be a 5. 1 box left for the 5 should be here. And I've eliminated the 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be there. 1 box left in this area for the number 1. These two boxes cannot be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 should be there. The 2 and the 4 are left. Let me mark them. 2 and the 4. These two boxes, the 1 and the 4, we have a 1 here, no 1 there, 1 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Now we have a 4 here, so this cannot be a 4 anymore, this should be a 2, and this should be a 4. We have a 5 here, those two boxes cannot be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 should be here. Now we have a 5 here, so this box cannot be a 5 anymore, this should be the 5. And this should be a 4. We have a 5 now, so this box cannot be a 5 anymore. This box should be the 5. And this should be a 4. We have a 5 now, so this box cannot be a 5 anymore. This box should be the 5. And this should be a 4. Now we have a 4 here, so this box cannot be a 4 anymore. This should be a 4. And this should be a 2. Those two boxes cannot be a 5, so the 5 goes in those two boxes. I see here a 5, so no 5 there. 5 should be here. And 1 box left for the 4. 2 boxes left, the 1 and the 3. Let me mark them. These two boxes cannot be a 4. That box cannot be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 should be here. The 5 and the 3 are left. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 3 goes there. This box should be a 5 because it cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, cannot be a 3, cannot be a 4. So it's definitely a 5. 2 numbers left, the 1 and the 3. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 1 and the 3 are left. 1 and the 3, we see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 1 goes there. Now we have a 3 there, so this cannot be a 3 anymore. This should be the 3, and this should be the 1. Finish in 12 minutes. Yes, again 12 minutes. I like this Sudoku, same like the previous one. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget, only if you like, only if you want to subscribe, and hit that bell button if you want to be notified by YouTube when I upload a new Sudokus to my channel. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. See you tomorrow on Wednesday. Bye bye for now.